But okay, so now I'm finna go to the camera, cause that's what we really wanted the phone for. Okay, camera. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God! Wow!
My camera as well. Stop freaking playing with this outside camera. Like, I was just lucky enough to get the defective iPhone. But it shut off on me the following day.
Love my personality, maybe cause I got a nigga mentality. I'm trying to make $1 million my salary. I might have took an L, but I'm pretty sure nobody can tell. It took me a while to come up on my shell. At least I can say I did it with no help.
If y'all wondering why I got these glasses on, one, I got a headache, so this ring light is bright. Two, I'm kind of extra. And three, I really don't want to be seen. It's bedtime. I just wanted to come on here and explain my freaking part of my title. The part in parentheses that says Apple sent me a defective. I just hit myself. Send me a defective iPhone. Y'all can't see, but I just rolled my eyes. I have no words. Like, Apple. I just so happen to be one of the lucky few people that get sent the defective phone. The one that shuts off on you within 24 hours and never cuts back on, no matter what you do. So I got my iPhone. When y'all see this video, it was pre-recorded. Like, today is October 8th. I received my iPhone 4 days ago, and it shut off on me the following day. And we love that. So I just wanted to come in here and kind of explain that part of my title, because of course in the unboxing part, y'all not gonna see that it shut off and that it just is not working anymore, and that it's a DOA. I'm a dead on arrival. No, for real, I'm so irritated because y'all saw me, y'all gonna see me set this phone up and everything, and for it to just cut off and never came back on. Like, I tried everything. Y'all, overall, I'm just irritated, honestly, still to this day. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoy. I'm so over it. I hope y'all enjoy my iPhone 11 unboxing. Like, I was just lucky enough to get the defective iPhone. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video anyway. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and Apple count your days. Like, no, I'm just playing. I'm just kidding, guys. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. So YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can tell by the title, I will be unboxing my new iPhone 11. I'm a little late, just a little bit, but it's better late than never, okay? So my phone came in the mail today, and I thought I would get on here and unbox it or whatever. So I should have got some scissors. Okay, I'm gonna just cut the box open. I'm excited. This is the iPhone. I just got the regular white one because it go with everything, like all cases and everything. I got the 64 gigabytes, and that's what it looked like. So we about to open this bad boy. Just take that off. Oh, excuse my nails, they need to be done. Ooh, she looks so clean or whatever. So here is the iPhone. Y'all can see my ring light. It's so freaking clear, like no fingerprints or nothing on it. And that's how the back looks. It's heavy. It's got a nice little weight to it. So I'm gonna go through everything that comes in the box. You get your little Designed by Apple in California little thing, and y'all know, come with the hello and like a little welcome to iPhone and all of that good stuff. Start now. You get this thing to like get your SIM card out, and then you get the Apple stickers and this other little paper all in there, and then you just get your regular headphones. I heard everybody talking about like why they didn't include AirPods and all of that, and personally I think it's because look at how much AirPods cost. So I feel like to include the AirPods in this iPhone, they would have had to up the price on the iPhone. That's just me personally. I just feel like for $700 you're not finna get a phone and AirPod. So you get your regular brick or whatever. I know the Pro and the Pro Max come with the lightning cable that charges your phone faster. You just get the regular one with the iPhone 11, your regular headphones, and then the lightning cable to charge it. So that's all that comes in the box. We about to get into setting up this iPhone, y'all. So while I'm putting this stuff back, I'm gonna tell y'all like what I'm upgrading from or whatever. So your girl had the iPhone 7 Plus for a minute. I'm not even gonna lie, I had it for a minute. I was supposed to upgrade, but then I ended up like downgrading. Long story short, so I went from the iPhone 7 Plus to the regular iPhone for a little bit. I had to, sometimes you gotta downgrade to upgrade, okay? Period. You hear me though? That's a life lesson. Not even just talking about the phone, but and I'm upgrading. Period. So I'm taking, y'all excuse my mama, she's on the phone and she talks very loud. Shout out to you, mom. I'm finna power it on or whatever. Y'all, I'm excited. Like, look at it. It looks so crispy and clean or whatever. It's much thicker, as y'all probably know. If y'all have watched other reviews, people have been saying that. And it got a nice weight to it. So, it says hello. And I'm just gonna swipe up. And I'm gonna hit English, because I speak English. And I'm from the United States. It says quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby the sign to automatically. Okay, so I'm gonna do this real quick. So I got my little phone next to this one and it's setting up. So it says waiting for the iPhone. It wants my passcode. I'm gonna put that in. And I like doing this because anybody got time to reset up everything. That's why I save everything through my iCloud. So anytime I get a new phone, everything from my old phone will go right on my new phone exactly how it was. So, and we gonna test out the phone quality. What, girl? We gonna test out the photo quality and check out all the features that this iPhone 11 has to offer. I'll show y'all that. I'm setting up the Face ID right now. Talking about move my head slowly. Follow the arrow. It's telling me, what do they mean? Oh, okay. Follow the arrow. They telling me to go all in these different circles. I never did this before. Okay, so I just set up the Face ID. And now it's asking me to transfer your data. Do I want to do it directly from iPhone or download from iCloud? I think I'm going to just transfer from iPhone. I'm almost finished setting this up or whatever. And it's asking me for the appearance, do I want to do the light or the dark mode? And I think I'm going to go with the light mode. Now it's transferring all of my data. I'm going to tell y'all some of the features about the iPhone 11. So it comes in different colors: black, green, yellow, purple, product red, and white, which I got the white one. The display is a 6.1 Retina HD display. Let's see what else. It's splash and water and dust resistant, so it can be in the depth of up to 2 meters within 30 minutes. The camera is another big feature. I know for sure the video shooting 4K. It's an ultra wide field view. Y'all, it's a lot of stuff, honestly. There's a night mode on here. That's another thing that's popular with this phone. You can take pictures at night, like pitch black, and it'll be like you took it in the daytime. It has brighter true tone flash, whatever that is. burst mode, a lot of stuff. Like I said, the video shooting 4K, 1080p HD, 720 HD. There's an auto zoom. I'm literally looking on the Apple website trying to get everything about the phone. Face ID, which everybody knows already. That's about it. If I left anything out, I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for this to finish, and I thought I would tell y'all a little bit about the phone. Like I said, I'm pretty sure there's way more stuff that I left out, but oh yeah, and I'm gonna finally take this off and stop being annoying. But look at the screen, it just looks so good. Finally got in there. Another thing that I'm noticing that I just read about is that it's like the glass is fingerprint resistant, and that's actually true because I didn't touched it. Y'all can't really see, but that's another thing that I noticed. Oh, and look at my phone, just how it was, except I gotta get all my apps back. So freaking good. Like the display and the colors are popping on here, okay? Like look at me in the freaking home screen on my phone. But okay, so now I'm finna go to the camera, because that's what we really wanted the phone for, okay? The camera. So it says new in camera, you can capture outside the frame, and there's a new shutter button. So we finna just, oh my goodness.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh wow. This camera, wow. It don't look nothing like my phone that I'm looking at right now. My other phone. We finna take a picture so I can show y'all. Oh wow. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen. Wow, guys. You can see everything. You can see the frizz in his hair right now because I haven't styled it. Eye camera as well. Whoa. Stop freaking playing with this outside camera. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm finna take a picture of something with the outside camera so I can show y'all. I'm gonna take a picture of my Coach book bag. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put that on the screen. It's so freaking, like, you can see every detail, every texture, like, and the way that it moves. Yes, I'm in love already. I'm gonna have to figure out how to work it and everything, all the new features, but this camera is bomb. Well, that was the unboxing of my new iPhone 11. I will have a what's on my iPhone 11 coming really soon. I got some stuff to tweak, and I'm gonna change out my wallpapers and stuff. That was it for me unboxing the iPhone 11. I really like it. Like, Apple did their thing with this camera. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next video.